West End Watch Company, Sowar Prima automatic watch, fluted bezel, gold plated, original crown, reference number 5027, original bracelet, full day spelling at 12 o'clock position, and date at 3 o'clock position. The date lens is called Cyclops. Rolex introduced it first, the Cyclops lens. It was named after the Greek one-eyed giant. So other watch companies followed. Beautiful watch. It looks excellent on the wrist too. I have a very small wrist, but I can show you. I have adjusted the belt accordingly. Here we go. Thank you. Bye.